When Jennifer from Perth, Western Australia, tried to plug in her USB flash drive, nothing happened. Over 1,500 family photos and 250 important work documents were trapped inside, completely inaccessible. Jennifer was anxious and worried she would never see those work documents again and have to redo months of work that her boss wouldn't pay her for. Hi, it's Mike, visiting Payam Data to give you a behind-the-scenes look at this real-life case study of a broken USB drive. After inspecting the device closely, our data recovery specialist saw that the USB connector had been physically damaged, likely from being dropped or bent. The metal connector was completely separated from the circuit board, making connection impossible. He explained that while the connector was broken, the actual memory chip remained perfectly intact. It's like having a perfectly good hard drive, but the power cord is severed. The data is all there, it just can't be accessed. The solution required a soldering iron and the skills to do this in a safe way for somebody experienced. An easy job. I watched him select a replacement USB connector and carefully solder it to the exact same connection points using specialized tools. Each tiny pin had to be perfectly aligned without damaging the delicate circuit traces. After connecting the repaired drive to their PC3000 data recovery system, within seconds the screen lit up with folders and files. Every single one of Jennifer's precious memories and work documents had been successfully recovered. The entire process took 1 hour from start to finish. Jennifer received a detailed file listing and video preview of all recovered files via email. Once she accepted the results and made payment, her data was shipped back to her home by overnight courier at no extra charge. Thanks for watching.